So amongst my first journey in travels, so we were at Marshall's just looking around for some stuff. I came across this. Beard grooming kit. It's got a little bit of everything. Beard wash, beard oil, beard wax, a little cheap plastic comb. I'll probably just throw that away. Body prescriptions, don't know, never heard of it. But I mean, $6.99, that's pretty cheap for a full combo. You can't even find just a beard oil for $6.99, at least from what I've been looking at anyways. So let's crack this bad boy open and see what it's about. Always gotta carry around the pocket knife. You never know when you're gonna need it or use it. So let's see. Nothing fancy. Beard wash. Oil. Cheap foam. And beard wax, all cedar wood. Let's see. Oh, it's got a little seal on it. Digging it. I don't know. Kind of almost smells something like Grandpa would wear back in the 70s. Oil. It's kind of musky. Let's see. Not bad. Not bad. The wax. Oh, that's even got a seal on it too. Getting fancy. I don't know how fancy can you get for $6.99. Thick. It almost smells like those little cheap fragrances. Alright, well, we'll check this stuff out, see what it's about. See you guys in a little while. Alright, and I'm back. So, fresh out the shower. I don't know. I don't really feel much of a difference. Still a little wet, so all I do is pat dry it. That way it doesn't get all knotted up. I guess we'll try the rest of the stuff. Beard oil. Right? It always goes in first. Get deep down to that skin. Get rid of any dryness. There really is a specific amount, right? Reminds me of my grandpa. Get that in there. Don't forget the stash. The soul patch. A soul! Oh. Massage it in, right? Do a little comb through. See, you know, a lot of people say don't use plastic combs because, you know, they're imperfections. They'll create split ends. Blah blah blah. There's certain combs that I won't use, besides an unbreakable, because you can tell that they're cheap. Plastic is thin, it's scratchy up against the skin, but with unbreakables, never really had much of an issue. My Walmart special Wave Enforcer, the Enforcer. It's a boar's hair brush, two-sided, two different kinds of stiffnesses in the bristles. When I had a short beard, I used the soft side. Now I use the stiffer side. Next, beard wax. Let's throw some wax in here, huh? Let's see what this is about. It's got a good consistency. Pretty thick. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know, that might be too much. Maybe not enough. Apply a small amount to the palm, spread evenly throughout your beard or mustache. The tash, the mustache, the bigote. For all you bigotons, spread it around. Yeah. Get it in there. lotion. I don't know, guess some of these oils could be good for your skin too, right? Put that brush, spread it around. Come down, all around, straight up and down. Don't forget underneath. Huh? I don't know, how's that look? What do you guys think? Anyways, I don't know, feels good. Hopefully it looks good. Can't see myself in the camera, it's a one way. Gotta work with what you got, right? I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm a little sunburnt. Yesterday was the 4th of July. Independence Day celebration out in the sun, pool party and barbecue. Hey, maybe I'll make some more videos on some barbecuing that I do. Some barbecuing and some smoking. Hey, never know what you might get. Tune in, like, subscribe. Come on, get with it.